Is your outdoor spigot leaking from the spout? If so, it is time to replace it. You will be able to knock this out in no time at all with these simple tools: replacement spigot, pipe wrench, Teflon tape, water meter key. The first thing you need to do is to shut off the water. Water is constantly flowing from the municipal pipe at the street to your house. Stopping that flow of water will keep things dry. The water meter and shutoff valve are buried in the ground. At the street edge of your property, locate the metal plate that covers your water meter and lift it up. Inside, you will see the meter, the shutoff valve, and probably some mud. The water valve is turned with a specific tool called a key. Next, you will need to turn your spigot on in order to drain the water line. Once all of the water has drained out of the line, you are ready to remove the spigot. On the opposite end of the spigot is a male threaded connection. Using a pipe wrench, turn your spigot counterclockwise to unthread the connection to the water line. Once the spigot is fully disconnected, you should be able to remove it from the building. Measure the length of the spigot fixture and pipe, and purchase a replacement spigot at a local plumbing supply store. Wrap plumber's Teflon tape around the male fitting on your new spigot in a clockwise direction. This will ensure that the connection does not leak. Insert the spigot fitting into the female end of the water line and tighten by hand. Use your pipe wrench to fully tighten the connection and ensure that your new spigot is set in place properly.